What is up, you guys? It's me, Drew, and today is our first episode of Unity. Unity is a game development tool and it has made loads of games and it is a great learning platform. So to download Unity, we just go into unity3d.com and go ahead and click Get Unity. After clicking on that, go ahead and scroll down and you will get this personal version, which is great for learning and all the stuff. You can make 100k per year and it will not charge you anything. So if you go ahead and hit try personal, if you go down, you actually have to accept the terms before you can download it. So go ahead and click this button here and you can read the terms of service over here. You can download Unity, the most latest version, right now for the installer, which is a quite easy and straightforward process, but Unity Hub, on the other hand, lets you pick what type of thing that you're gonna use, what type of version you're gonna use. Unity Hub is actually quite useful, so go ahead if you want to download Unity Hub. The other software we're going to be using is called Blender. Here is the website for it. Blender is a 3D modeling software that is extremely useful. You can make low poly designs, you can make normal designs, you can do all sorts of stuff. Now if we scroll down here, open source 3D creation, go ahead and download Blender, or if you don't see this, go ahead and hit download up here. And there you go, you download Blender over here. Quite easy to use, loads of things have been made on Blender, great way to learn. Maybe later we can go on to Autodesk. In the next video I will be showing you guys how to use Unity, the basics of Unity, the UI and some scripts and all that.